Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at work. Today we're going to talk about a little bit about the routes. Which routes are longer, shorter, better, worse? Household, greenways, recycle. Let's do it. Oh, and before I forget, thank you for clicking on this video. Drop a like if you can. Shout outs to a few hot dogs, Mr. Diamond 13, Los Angeles Trucks 232, and last but not least, Waste Resources, the Kid 897. And our first stop, the landfill. Check this out. Mine's empty. I just dumped. That one over there, that one's constipated. These are some of the complications of working in the hills. That's right, we're in the hills on Wednesdays. Look at this. I'm just gonna back up and come back later. Alright my guys, here it is. We're up in the hills, lots of vegetation. Here's the video of the cement jungle where I was at yesterday, where there's not that many green cans out versus black and blue. What? Look how many black cans. 2, 3, 1 blue, 1 green. Let's look up ahead. Black, black. 2 blacks right there, 2 blues. Before the street ends, a blue and a black. 1 green, a blue and a black. So there's always a blue and a black. Maybe it's 60-40 black versus blue. And then green is probably 30%. Look at that. 1, 2, 3. I see 4 green cans. Look at that. I made it on the way in, but still, it's really tight. Look at my mirror. Brushing against the brush. I believe I tapped it on the way in over here. That mirror over here. So, look at that, look at that. I can't get any closer. So for trash, household, it's kind of lighter up in the hills. Not a lot of people condensed in one house, living together and having a lot of trash. Let's see this one. Yeah, look, it's very light. But there should be more green up here than down in the middle of the city, because there's a lot of landscapers doing their job. Overgrown from all the rain, so you'll see a lot more green. See, right here it's 3 versus 1 black and 1 blue right there. When I first started, I wanted to be in blue, and I was put in black, and I'm glad I was. I didn't know what I wanted. Blue has the longest route. Welcome back. It looks like I'm stuck. Too far to back up. I'm gonna move these cans. This car is fine. Really close to the curb. These 3 cars could have done a better job. We'll see if we can go through. black could probably be the shortest routes out there. Green is right in between blue and black as far as the routes being as long. But yeah, blue is like very light. It's mostly cardboard and whatnot, water bottles. So that's why theirs is longer. But yeah, I don't like the longer route. The thing that I don't like about black is that the landfill is further out, subject to traffic. Green and blue is across the street from us in the yard. So I think the one that has it the best is green. Not as long route as recycle, and their landfill is right across the street. And recycle, well, they got the long routes, and their recycle center is right across the street as well. And, you know, garbage, shorter route, but man, the landfill could be annoying with delays, going up the mountain, overheating, especially right now when it's 100 degrees outside. But the trash, when I pick them up, it just falls in there. Look at that. Recycle, you can have cardboard that doesn't fall right away. You pull your can out of the hopper and boom, you make a big old mess. Same with the branches and leaves, you could make a big old mess if you don't give yourself time for it to drop in the hopper. So I'm happy where I'm at, despite of the landfill. But as far as drivers, I think Wednesday is our worst day because we're up in the hills. I'm in Sherman Oaks right now, and I gotta squeeze by. We saw earlier that truck in the way, little streets. People that live here don't even have parking for their own cars. There's a lot of construction. Look at this. This is crazy. And it gets worse at times. Luckily, I don't have to go to Mulholland today. Told you there's a lot of green. Even in my black cans, they put green. But that's like Wednesdays. Look at that green in that truck, in that tailgate. What is it, a trailer? Looks like I dropped the bag. Let's get it. A lot of vegetation out here. But still, more black cans than green. So yeah, number one, cans, most of the cans out there are going to be black, then it's blue, then it's green. Let me know in the comments below. Hey! Let me know in the comments below if you agree or disagree with that. Blacks, blue, and green. This is the street where that truck was in the way. Hopefully, wish me luck that they're done and they're out of the way. Nice ride. Alright, this is where the truck was at. I guess they were servicing the restroom or delivering that restroom, the National. Another tight squeeze. Why is this big old truck parked here? I don't know. don't think you should be bringing that to a construction site, especially up in the hills. Anyways, I got through. I put up a short yesterday. A lot of people were calling me lazy and snitch. I'm like, what are you talking about? Lazy would have been just ghosting the can and just ignoring it and passing by. It's a safety issue. I can't pick up those cans. The load would just go right over the truck and land on the other side. Alright, my guys, we reached the end of the line. Let's pick up our last can. I did my route, my piece, and I helped out on someone that broke down earlier. Let's lock it. There you go. Let's go to the yard. Alright, my guys rode up the truck. It's pretty common to lose mud flaps at the landfill. It's not a driver's fault. Happens all the time because of the terrain. It's really late, 5:30, time to go home. LA Danny out.